So for Google Jamboard, you are going to open up and you will go to the bottom right where it has that plus sign. You will create a new Jamboard, and this is where you write. You can change the font. You can change how thick the lines are. There's a highlighter tool. There's an erasing tool. There's a pointer tool. And there's also something called the assistive drawing tools. So there's something called the assistive drawing tools. And when you click on the assistive drawing tools, a menu will pop up. And if you start to write out words, so for example, if I put write out words, it will automatically translate that into text so that it might be more clean. You can also do a quick draw. So if you're trying to do a lot of shapes really fast, but the lines aren't perfect, then you can always just do it really quickly. And it will give you the shape that you were attempting to draw, which I think is fantastic. You can also add files from your Google Drive. So if you want to pull up a presentation, if you want stickers, or if you want a clock, if you're working on time, you can always pull up different images on here, and then you can draw directly on it when you're ready. So if you're talking about time, this would be an excellent app to use. If you want to invite students to this, you would go up to the top right, these three dots in the top right, and you would click them, and then you would click share. You can share it to any student, so type in their email address, their Google account through the school. You can also share the Jam as a PDF so that it's not editable. So if you want to do that option, you can do that as well. You can also turn link sharing off. Let's say you wanted to share it for a little bit, but then you changed your mind and you thought, I don't want to do that. You can turn the link sharing off here. You can also make a copy, and you can save it as an image. So if there was a portion of the Jamboard that you wanted to save as an image, you can do that as well.